Is this thing recording or what?
Hi my loves, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Busi. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for coming back. I'm all glammed up because I'm going to be shooting some content today. So what I'll be doing is I'll be shooting a reel. So in this reel, it's gonna be a day look and the night look, office look, and then a night look, a date night out. I don't know how to title it, but it's gonna be one of the two. This year I'm all about my content. So anyway, if you're new here, my name is Busi. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for coming back. Love you.
My bad bitch. I'm pretty than a motherfucker. Hoes me looking okay. Yeah. She think that she fucking with me. Is this bitch okay? He said he ain't fucking around. I look at him like okay. I used to be
high
down
volume,
bad,
high
but now
volume,
a bitch
high
okay.
volume.
I'm pretty than a motherfucker. Hoes me looking okay. She think that she fucking with me. Is this bitch okay? He said he ain't fucking around. I look at him like okay. I used to be down bad, but now a bitch okay. Down south bad bitches, street shit so ratchet. Call me JT, aka the soul snatcher. Okay. I'm with a booster, a scholar, and a pole dancer. Pussy nigga call my phone, he won't get no answer. Fuck these niggas, fuck them. And fuck these hoes too. You can't fuck with me, fuck what a bitch told you. Sexy black motherfucker. Yeah. He game on the wood, I'm watching Jimmy Butler. Since I came home, I've been killing every summer. Real boss bitch, and I started as a runner. Titties and pretty, and I'm looking like a snack. 40-inch bust down, and you know that bitch black. I'm pretty than a motherfucker. Hoes me looking okay. She think that she fucking with me. Is this bitch okay? He say he ain't fucking around. I look at him like okay. I used to be down bad, but now a bitch okay. I'm pretty than a motherfucker. Hoes me looking okay. She think that she fucking with me. Is this bitch okay? He say he ain't fucking around. I look at him like okay. I used to be down bad, but now a bitch okay. Do not disturb, bitch, I'm with my nigga. Okay, stout name plate and it's from my nigga. Bitch say she pregnant, it ain't from my nigga. Nah, I don't pay for shit, it's all on my nigga. Bitch, Maserati mommy, and the roof missing. She ate crab legs, now whole tooth missing. Cheap ass veneers, you stay talking shit. Put a marker to this bitch, she's so counterfeit. I'm the baddie in the CEO. Gothic bitches shaking ass in videos. In a cut, getting high with an emo hoe. We in wrong way, you bitches in dark shadow. Whoa. I'm pretty than a motherfucker. Hoes me looking okay. She think that she fucking with me. Is this bitch okay? He say he ain't fucking around. I look at him like okay. I used to be down bad, but now a bitch okay. I'm pretty than a motherfucker. Hoes me looking okay. She think that she fucking with me. Is this bitch okay? He say he ain't fucking around. I look at him like okay. I used to be down bad, but now a bitch okay.
They hate a bitch, but they stole the flow. Got back in after back in, coming. Fuck with my stole the show. Don't run up on that bitch, she a head case. All she do is shoot. I signed my deal up on the PJ and hopped out in parachute. I'm geeked on next week, got no more features. I might just stir at you. I'm geeked on next week, got no more features. I might embarrass you.
Workout done for the day. Now it's time. Hi guys, it's another day of the vlog. I am getting ready. Actually, I'm done getting ready. I'm leaving now, going to China Mall to buy a few things. We need to buy a chain for the puppy and then some few things. So just want to show you my outfit. I'm not sure if you'll see, but come in. This is a dress I'm wearing from Chic, and then I'm carrying this bag from Mr. Price, I think. Yeah, bag from Mr. Price, and then this white bag.
No competition, these bitches fail, ho. Curbing, no curbing, my shit is last, ho. Say they get money, but I can't tell, ho. Keep running circles around these snail, ho. And my shit bumping up in the jail, ho.
Hi guys, I just finished taking a shower now. It's time for skincare. So for deodorant, I'm using Dove. I didn't shave. Sorry, I didn't shave. Okay, and then I'm gonna start it off like this. Glycolic acid. Starting off with the ordinary glycolic acid. to clean up my skin. Done. And then we go in with the serum. This is from The Ordinary as well. I don't know if you guys can see me properly, but I'm trying. I didn't take my tripod, so forgive me. And some in the neck as well, and then get some air to kind of dry it down a bit. And then we go in with the moisturizer, natural moisturizing factor from The Ordinary as well. This is just the finished part of it. I don't put on sunscreen. I don't know why, but I just don't. I just go for a small amount of it because it's quite a lot. And
I recognize your fragrance. Hold up, you ain't never got
that's it.
and I know you taste this a little bit.
And then that's literally it.
Everybody else basic. You live life on an everyday basis with poetic justice. Poetic justice. If I tell you
That's it for my skincare, you guys. I'm running out of space. I'm really sorry, but I will do a full skincare video, day and night. So this is my daily skincare. This is all I put in for my day skincare. And then I just go over my neck as well. So you see what I mean, that it's a lot, like it's still a lot of product and I've been rubbing it in my skin. That is still a lot. But anyhow, let's catch up once I'm done. That's it for my skincare for the day for now. I'll catch up with you guys later.
I mean, I write poems in these songs.